would like to say that it's self-discipline. So basically the ability to stick to your goals, even when it's tough. Kubera ko, we all have goals, but the journey to the finishing line, even more intambara, more amaha, ibintu byinshi cyane bishobora gutuma ucika intege. So just self-discipline kuri njyewe, of course it's a ni ijambo rinini ariko just the ability to stick to your goal until the finish line. And ikindi no kutita ku negative things ziba ziri inyuma, because obviously ijambo ry'umuntu umwe nuvuga muri kino cyumba cyose tugize niba turi ibihumbi bitatu haramutse havuyemo umuntu umwe cyangwa babiri akaba negative towards SCOVIA for instance, bishobora gukomeretsa SCOVIA akibagirwa ibihumbi 2,299 bimukunda kandi bimushigikiye. So we need to remember that muri urwo rugendo towards your goal hazabamo intambara, and I think one of the things that pushed me, obviously it's my resilience, but let me first say ko mfite n'umubyeyi who believes in me so much, kandi usenga, so n'umuntu wegama cyane ku masengesho ye, and then of course ibindi bikegera bikaza imbere.